And welcome to CES 2012 with coverage of everything in tech in the coming year. This year's coverage of CES 2012 by TINow.org is brought to you by Alcatel-Lucent. We're covering industry leaders from Broadcom and Cisco to Hughes Telematics and Ericsson. Let's start our coverage today with one of the most recognized telecom providers. Welcome to our coverage of CES 2012. We're here with our host sponsor, Alcatel-Lucent, and joined by Jason Collins, Vice President of Emerging Technologies and Innovation. And Jason, welcome to the program today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for stopping by. And in such a hyper-competitive environment right now in our industry, how does Alu stay relevant and competitive?
Yeah, so clearly the kinds of equipment that we make has to be standards-based, and so that tends to commoditize things. But what's really important for us is innovating on top of that. And so, when I say innovating, I mean at multiple levels. Clearly we're the home of Bell Labs, which has a huge history of innovation. Those kinds of innovations are things that happen on features on products, algorithms that we use within the network. And what we're doing here is really an innovation that we believe requires orchestration across the marketplace. And so that's really what this is about, is taking partners, bringing them in, and figuring out new ways that service providers can generate revenue.
Now, Alu has three key messages at CES 2012. What are those messages?
Yeah, so first off, it's end user experience, right? So we make routers and other things, but what's really important in the world is the end user experience that the services that are going across that network are going to create. And so that's the first message, is what kinds of new and innovative end user experience can we create with the new consumer electronics coming out? The second thing is that we want to make sure that there's a reason for the service providers to roll out those new services. So it's business models. We're innovating around business models. Every one of the service concepts that we're showing here at CES has an innovative new business model that maybe the service provider hadn't grasped before.